Okay. Hi, Janaea. We miss you out here. Get in the camera when you talk. We wish you weren't doing your homework right now.
Get out and play with us.
We can't. Football is on while we're doing this right now, so
We have to
we don't want you to hear us. But we just wanted you to know that we love you, and we're so glad you're back, and that we missed you this weekend. And Keely, do you have anything else you'd like to say to Janaea?
Janaea, you're awesome. I want to give you cuddles.
Cuddles. Cuddles. We should probably sit back.